있어 널 바라봐도 just caught in your love 많이도 난 널 좋아했나봐 힘들어 보여 옆에서 말했어 한순간이었지 bittersweet to me night got me going.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video I have this V-part wig for you guys. Shout out to ISEE Hair for sponsoring today's video. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look together, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so in this video I am going to attempt to do a crochet no leave out look with this Afro. What texture is this? This is an Afro curly wig from ISEE Hair. I have tried maybe 3 or 4 wigs from ISEE Hair and I've been very impressed with the quality of it. So this is an upgraded V-part wig because V-part wigs got popular in like 2021 and they have a lot of structural things in here to make it easy to wear. So they have 4 clip combs in the front, an adjustable elastic band in the cap, and then you have 2 smaller combs on the side and they are removable. And then you have I just now saw these. So you have 2 more combs on the side that are smaller and they're removable. And you have a longer removable comb in the back and a drawstring. And you guys see that with the overlay, the drawstring, and the overall construction of the cap. And you also have that ear contour. So they thought about that even with the V-part wig. So I have my hair braided for this wig. I have 2 braids right here as my anchor braids for this wig, and then the rest of my hair is just kind of braided any kind of way. I have some of my edges out, just my edges, no like tons of leave out or anything, and I'm probably just gonna gel my edges down after I get the wig installed. So this is my hair. I have some braids coming this way downward, and I have my hair parted right here, so this can be my part for my wig, and then I have my anchor braids, and then these braids are kind of going down as well. So this is what we have. I do have short hair because I did a big chop like 7 months ago. It's growing a lot though, because I couldn't even braid my hair down like this. So this is a wig itself, the Afro curly texture. And I'm going to read the specs for you guys. So this is 22 inches. Yeah, so this is 22 inches. I'm not sure of like the density, but I'll have all that information for you guys in the description box. So I'm going to start off by opening these clip combs here. So I put it behind my braids. This ain't even really no braid no more right here. That's how crazy that looks. I'm not going to hold you. It was a little bit confusing on this side, and I will have to like address this side, but I think I got the hang of it on this side, and it's looking pretty good over here. So I keep it closed, and I go through the braid, and I open up the latch on the other side and find a smaller piece of hair, and I put it through the loop, close the latch, bring it through like that, and just sit it over the braid. And it conceals it pretty well. Now on the side over here, we still got to fix that, but we got to finish this side. But that's pretty cool. So I'm just kind of picking up hair from this side so I can find it easily. Okay, so I have this side crocheted in. And I had to adjust my braid over here because my anchor braid was loose. So I'm going to put this behind the anchor braid here. Let's see how this goes. Hopefully it's easier. I'm going to probably do the crochet back here because my hair is thicker back here, but up front it's not going to stay in there because my hair is shorter, so the braid doesn't stay together. But we're gonna see what we can do.
Crazy. Someone just tell me why I do shit. 내게서 더 멀어지지 마. Baby you 오직너만 baby you 사랑이 없어도 난 네 곁에 있고 싶어 난 아주 잠시만. Someone tell me what I need to do to make this feel right.
Shade both sides. I think it looks pretty good. I have a little bit of my edges out up front here because it was too thin to braid, so I just incorporated it into the wig, and I'm kind of teasing the roots a little bit just to conceal it some more. And now we can move on to defining these curls. I had to get a new bottle of Shea Moisture frizz-free curl mousse because I know this would require a lot of product because this is a lot of hair. So that is what I will be doing. I'm going to section the wig off and start to define the curls. I love this, and I've been using it for like 3 or 4 years because of Kyroshan. No, I've been doing it for probably 3 years because I used to use leave-in conditioner basically, and I think that was pretty much it, which would work, but it leaves the hair kind of hard. This leaves the hair soft and you get the definition. So I have to keep this on me for my curly wigs. I don't use it on my natural hair, on my hair, but it works very well for my wigs, my curly wigs.
I just want you in my life, keep you warm and nice. Baby, I still love you, and I guess 이대로는 can I say that I just love you. 네 모습이 아름다워. 근데 baby, I still love you. I don't wanna believe there's a thing. Can you let me say it again? I still love you. 건너편에 앉아 있던 너의 모습이 아직도 나 잊혀질지는 몰라. Baby, I'm leaving you.
Okay, so now that I have the wig applied, I'm just going in and teasing the roots just to conceal any knots or areas where you could see my braid. I'm gonna do it on this side and then go to the other side.
아직도 난 모르겠어. 널 바라봐도 just caught in your love. 많이도 난 널 좋아했나 봐. 힘들어 보여 옆에서 말했어. 한순간이었지. Bittersweet to me now. Got me going crazy. Someone just tell me why. 하듯이 내게서 더 멀어지지 마. Baby you 오직 너만 baby you. 사랑이 없어도 난 네 곁에 있고 싶어. 난 아주 잠시만. Someone tell me what I need to do to make this feel right. I just want you in my life, keep you warm and nice. Baby, I still love you, and I guess 이대로는 can I say that I just love you. 네 모습이 아름다워. 근데 baby, I still love you. I don't wanna believe there's a thing. Can you let me say it again? I still love you. 건너편에 앉아 있던 너의 모습이 아직도 나 잊혀질지는 몰라. Baby, I'm leaving you. 그때 했던 말들이 맴돌아 in my mind. I'm honestly feeling like I am so lost. 마음이 그저 흔들리잖아. Someone tell me what I need to do to make this feel right. I just want you.
Alright guys, so you saw the process of me applying this wig and getting it together. The crochet technique where you have very minimal leave out, I just have my edges out in the front. Mainly because a little bit of your edges out makes the like crochet kind of method look more natural. But my hair was too short in the front to put the hook through and it stay. Like my hair was coming unraveled. But The area of my hair that was longer and thicker, like towards like the middle, I did crochet that successfully. So it's a little bit of a learning curve if you've never done it before. So what I do is I put the V part or the combs behind the braid, like not in the braid, like behind the braid, and then I went through with a crochet hook while it was closed. I went through the braid, and then I caught a piece of hair. I wouldn't get a big piece of hair because it's gonna make it look bulky, but get like a medium-sized piece of hair and then close the hook, pull it through, and just lay it over the braid. And so I've been seeing people do that for a long time, and I was just like, I don't think I want to do that because it looks complicated. But it actually wasn't that complicated. You just have to get used to using the crochet hook and everything if you're somebody who's never worked with it like me, or if you've used a crochet hook but unsuccessfully. That would be my story. But this turned out really cute, and I think it looks natural. Like I told you guys with the specs, all the specs will be in the description box for you guys. This is a Afro curly textured wig, so more like a kinky curly texture, and these textures are great for me because I can finesse with my own hair or with my own edges. So this part right here, this little piece right here, that's my hair because I couldn't like braid it down. I just put a little bit of, what is this called? The Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator on my hair that's out in the front. But everything else, I have some of my roots kind of teased, and then the roots of the wig teased, and it just blends very well together. So if this is the texture of hair that you have, this will be perfect to kind of finesse and make it look as natural as possible. I did go outside just to see what it looked like outside. It's no lace to clock, but you want to make sure like the knots don't look, you know, visible. But it's so much going on with like my roots being teased and everything. I think it looks good. It's passable for me. For like everyday life, this is absolutely fine. But of course, play around with, you know, making it look natural for you and your liking. I think this was just a lesson in trying something different for me, and it turned out really cute. Now, as far as taking this out, I'll probably pop in later with some information about like how to take this out, because I do have another wig review that I have to do, so I have to take this out. So, all right, so I just wanted to include this footage of me taking this wig off because I have to record a different one now. But I know some people are probably curious of as to how you would do this. So I'm gonna try to do this carefully because I don't want to mess up my natural hair. Take these combs out, and I'm just sliding them back through, and it feels like they're coming up. Yep. Okay, I'm still working at it. This does take a little while to get undone, but this is the wig, and I'm just sliding it, the strand, I'm sliding it back the other way. So just do that and try to do it as gently as you can. I'm not gonna use scissors, as I said, because I am not trying to accidentally cut my hair. Okay, we got one side. This is what I got a little bit left on here, and I'm trying to be careful. We are free. That was a lot. I don't know if I would do that method a lot. You just got to make sure you're doing clean strands of hair, so when you take it out it's easier. But that took about 15 minutes or so to get that out my head. But be careful with that, because I feel like that can definitely pull your hair if you're not trying to have a lot of tension on your hair. So I wanted to include that footage for you guys. So I have to re-braid my hair over. No shedding, no like shedding and tangling. When it comes to kinky curly wigs or curly wigs, once I have the style set, I'm not running my hands through it, so I don't really experience shedding or tangling. And there's no lace to like, you know, hairline to pluck, so you don't have to worry about shedding from that. So yeah, so if you're interested in picking up this wig from ISEE Hair, you can head over to their website and pick it up there. Shout out to ISEE Hair for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in, okay? And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Just caught in your love. 많이도 난 널 좋아했나 봐. 힘들어 보여. 옆에서 말했어. 한순간이었지. Bittersweet to me now. Got me going crazy. Someone just tell me why. 하듯이